Okay, sige. Jay, anong tututukin mo para sa amin?
Nung kanta niyo pong...
Sige, surprise. Para maganda. Pakinggan mo natin from Sax. Ito na po. Ang musician natin, DJ. Do it with feelings. Sarap naman. Galing mo, Jay, ha? Galing, ha? Galing din, galing, ha? Sarap, sexy. Di ba, hindi. Okay lang. One Saturday, pagsasamahin ko sila. Kakantayin ko yung mga kanta ko, kasama kayo. Ha?
Maraming salamat po.
Okay. Aralin niyo yung mag-exercise tayo tuwing umaga. Magaling ka with feelings. Meron kang 10,000! Galing! Pwesto na mga kamay. Let's play the game. Dalian natin kasi yung panonood ko yung babaeng kampas lupa eh. Ganda eh. Ganda na istorya oh. Sa aking mga acting, Bingloy Saga pala nandun. Diba? Sinulat nyo nga yung mga artista kasi all-star cast eh. Diba? Si Christian, Vasquez. Sino pa? Freddie Webb. Jay mo yun? Sino pa? Mga stars. Basta lahat. Julio Diaz. Nagaling, no? Ganyan mo lang. May papasok pa daw. Magugulat kayong lahat. Nagulat nga ako eh. Lumipat dito. Oo. Ay, nako, abangan nyo. Ako nagulat. Andito na siya. Good luck sa inyo dalawa, ha? 1 million house and lot at may photon band tayo. Photon! Ito na po ang ating kantanong. Kahit anong kanta, ito na ang ating question. Title?
Maybe.
1 point, CJ. Maybe is correct. Presto DJ, habol tayo. Okay, next. Ito po ang ating kantanong. Kailangan kantahin nyo. Go! Sing it. DJ.
You're my Mona Lisa. You're my rainbow sky. And my only prayer is that you realize.
Galing to ah. Pasok ka na! 1 point! 1 point pa. Pasok. 1 point pa lang, okay? 1 point kayo. Na marunong kumanta, marunong mag-sax, ha? Okay, good luck. Sa inyong dalawa, isa na lang, pasok na. Kantanong! Sino to? Sino kumanta nung kantang to? Go!
Kalya Lily. Kalya Lily.
Kalya?
Lily.
Mali. Mother Lily. Pasok ka na, Jay! Kalya Lily is correct. Thank you so much, Jay. Salamat. Yung pera mo, baka maulog sa bulsa mo, sa pera mo, okay? Ito mga ating mga instrumentalist ba? Nep at Shane! Let's go, Nep! Bumati ka muna, Nep. Ayun ang camera natin. Go!
Hi, I wanna greet everybody from Houston, Texas. My family, Dan and May Diaz.
Hi, Nep.
Dan and May Diaz, all the way from Houston, Texas. They're watching. I want to greet Ate Cristina Nosares, Beck, Der Templado, Francisco family, Uncle Donis, at lahat yung mga kaibigan ko sa chess and trumpet sa buong mundo.
Oh! Where are you from, Nep? Kalapit ng konti sa mic.
Houston, Texas po.
Oh, nag-audition ka?
Pinana ko dun, pero yung magulang ko, Bicolano po.
Ah, that's right. So you're here for what? For good? For vacation?
For vacation, tapos visit family po.
And then, yun, nag-audition ka?
Opo,
Talaga?
kahapon.
How old are you, Nep?
28 po.
Your first name is Willie?
Hindi na.
Willie Nep. Okay. Just joking. So, you're from Houston, huh? That's nice. I had a show in Houston about 2-3 years ago. In Houston. Di ba nag-show tayo sa Houston? That's right. Okay, Nep. So, who's with you?
Marianne, my girlfriend.
Hi,
Hi, Kuya
Marianne.
Will.
Hi, wow.
Hi, baby.
Hello po.
Are you also from Houston?
No po.
From where? Boston? No. Where you
Hindi,
from?
sa Quezon City lang.
Dito ka lang. So, dito lang kayo nakita lang ni Nep?
Sa Bicol po kami nagkakilala.
Talaga?
Apo.
Wow, matagal na ba kayo ni Nep?
1 year po.
1 years na. Wow, 1 years na kayo, ha?
Apo.
Okay. Ano gusto mo sabihin kay Nep? May gusto ka sabihin kay Nep?
Baby ko. Sasabi ko lang, mag-ingat ka lagi. Tapos, mahal na mahal kita. Ayun lang.
Okay. Gusto mo ba sumama sa Houston, kay Nep?
Opo.
Wow, green card, ha? Okay, biro lang. Paano na pa siya? Nep, what do you want to tell your girlfriend?
I love you so much, baby. You're so wonderful. You're so caring. You're so sweet. Kahit, you pinch me a lot. Whatever you do, I still love you a lot, babe. I want to tell you that.
Thank
Nep,
you.
okay, you're from Houston. Why is it that you auditioned for this show? Why is it?
Actually, it's the recommendation of her sister, because they always watch you, and I watch you sometime when I also visit, because they know I play trumpet. So they thought it's an opportunity that I try out and maybe
Really? What's the name of your sister?
Christina.
Oh, you want to say thank you to Christina?
Thank you very much for telling me about the show and to audition. Really appreciate it a lot.
All right, Nep, thank you. We've been seen all over the world because of the internet.
Opo.
You know what is the Tagalog of the trumpet?
Hindi po.
Okay, tuturuan kita, taratat. Okay? Taratat is the Tagalog of a trumpet, okay? So what's that? Taratat, okay? What will you play with us? What will you play for us?
Feels So Good by Chuck Mangione.
Or ladies and gentlemen, from Houston, Nep. Feels so good. From Chuck Matay. Hi, Chuck. Bisa nyo! Thank you very much. Okay, kala ko ayaw mo tumigil eh. That's good. Nice playing. You have 5,000 live. Good luck sa'yo, ha? Stay lang. Okay. Ito naman si Shane. Shane, bumati ka muna.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Hindi din ako sa William.
Teka, saan si Shane?
Rizal po.
Rizal.
Oho.
Ikaw isang musikera.
Opo. I play keyboard po.
Ha?
I play keyboard po.
Okay, keyboard. Okay, pero bago lahat, bumati ka muna.
Binabati ko po lahat ng mga pamilya ko sa Quezon City. Alam niyo na kung sino kayo.
Alright.
Tsaka yung mga neighbors po namin sa Dalacos. Hi, Ate Mirna. Then, sa pamilya ko po sa Zamboanga del Norte. Alam ko po nanonood po yung lola ko ngayon. And then, sa friends, professors, classmates ko po sa College of Accountancy. Sorry, di po ako nakapasok today. And last but not the least, yung teacher ko po sa piano, Hi, Sir Fuster. Sige, thank you po sa magpapahiram ng keyboard. Mamaya pa may babalik na po, mama.
Alright, Shane. Sino kasama ni Shane?
Mama ko po.
Hi, Mama. Pakilala mo sa amin.
Everyone. pinapakilala po my very beloved mother.